I'll be reorganizing the rack, making some more room, adding some stuff in, taking some stuff out. Doing some cable management because nope. Got new rack ears for the mixer. Got to add in a crossover for the new subwoofers we got. Little cable management guys I'm going to test out. I'll put a link to the file to print these up if they work out. So here we go. Alright, I got the rack laid down. These two units are coming out. I need to make a note of where these go. If you're doing a new install, obviously won't have that, but we're just changing, so I don't want to have to re-figure out where all this goes, so I'm going to mark it down. We're having some interference with this wireless unit here. I'm going to try to get it up a little higher, maybe separate it from there, and then find a place to put it. And these rack ears we got were 3D printed, but they're starting to warp a little bit, so I got new ones that are a little stronger, and they got cable pass-through right here, so see if that works. This is our Behringer xr18. Great mixer. Love it. Wish we didn't take so long getting here. I'm definitely not going back. But we bought a used one that didn't have any rack ears. A buddy of mine printed these up for us. As you can tell, they still held it, but it was definitely warped and leaning back. This thing lives in a trailer all year long. So, I mean, summer heat doesn't help at all. But they did all right, just not quite what we're doing. Since I'm already having to redo everything, I figured I might as well redo these. So I had them print me up these. Same thing. They'll go right there. This has a cable pass through, so they can bring the cables right in from the side. I don't have to have a space above or below. And these also connect on all four corners instead of just the front too. So I'm really hoping that holds up. So let's get them on and we'll see what it looks like. I got the new rack ears put on. They fit real good, real snug. I just wanted to point out, I noticed, so these are the old rack ears. There's the printed holes, and you can see that I had to drill my own to make it fit. Well, these only attach to the front two screws. If I can get it in focus here. They only attach to the front two screws, so I never took off the back two. But when I did, this popped right off. This is like the feet, rubber protector for when it's just sitting desktop. So I popped that off, and I'm guessing the two of those together is about that same distance. So let's go test fit it and see if that's going to line up now. Got everything put back in its spot. Still got to wire it all up, but I just want to do a little update. I think these rack ears are going to be much better. Like I said, you got the cable through right here, so the cables can come in, go to the back, keep all this front clean. Speaking of clean, I had my buddy print up these. They're rack mount cable holders. Because we have some things like the wireless and all that are permanently plugged in, but then we have instruments and stuff that we run, and the cables just kind of hang down. I'm hoping to get them come over, loop them through here, just keep it all nice and neat. I left a space up here between the Vocal Pro and the power conditioner. Like I said, we were having some, I don't know if interference is right, but dropout, I guess, last time we used it last weekend. We're pretty sure it's just because normally we set it up on the drum riser, and last time we didn't, so we're thinking it's just a height thing, but I figured better safe than sorry. This sure just incredible. Never had an issue. Great sound. Left it on a space too. We've just got that velcroed to a 1U shelf rack. If we had more stuff to put on there, we could use it, but I mean, this is about all it takes. I'll go more in depth on some of this stuff in a bit, but that's the update right now. Getting ready to wire it up. Well, I got it all stood up. I can't find a good way to record me doing the cables, so I guess I'll just try to grab a couple pictures if I see something worthwhile, and then I'll meet you with the finished product. Alright, we got her all done. The cords ran through there. That's real nice. Real nice. So now we just got to figure out if the cable organizers are going to work out or not, which we got to be at a show for that. So that'll be next weekend. But got that all done. Come around to the back. Haven't picked up my mesh yet. See, it's a fair bit nicer. Everything's zip tied up, out of the way, nothing hanging loose. So when we get to the show, we got our main output, our monitor output. This is for our powered subwoofers. And that's it. All goes through this hole, close out the back, and it looks real clean on stage. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.